Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening there, YouTubers. Hello, family. Welcome back once again. You know who it is, your boy JJ right here. Whoa, it looks like the market is just going crazy right now for these holiday sales. But I got some news for you that I want you all to listen to, and make sure you stick around all the way to the end, and then you'll know what's going on. But let's get this B-roll started, and guess what? Welcome to JJ's PC Builds. And welcome back from that B-roll. Guess what? I told you we're going to talk about a few things. We are going to talk about a few things, but the first thing we're going to talk about is subscribing. If you want to get the up-to-date videos here on JJ's PC Builds, and please make sure you take and subscribe. And if you watch all the videos and you like them, then like all the videos. It would be appreciated. We're still working up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So the more that subscribe and watch, the better we're going to be. So that way we can go to our next goal, which we're hoping for 1 billion. You know me. I like thinking big. That's the whole idea. Thinking big, doing things big, and try to, just making it grow. But we got some news for you. We're going to get right to this. It seems the news is this. It seems that at the end of December, that when you go to buy a GPU or any kind of parts from China, usually most of the parts are coming from China. It seems that they're going to be tacking on a 25 to 30% tariff. So that means all prices are going to be going up after December the 31st. So you're best for the next couple weeks to get yourself in there and get yourself some PC parts, because it looks like that this is going to be the bottom end. And it seems that after the first of the year, I thought the prices were going to drop, but guess what? They are not going to drop. It seems that AMD will probably keep a medium on their prices, but Nvidia, that's another story. They're going to jack their prices up. I'm not sure about Intel. Intel might stay medium, for the fact of, that they want to offer a great product to everybody. I know AMD wants to do the same thing, but also too, I know Nvidia is in it for Nvidia, unless they prove me wrong. I have been proven wrong before, but that's been back in 1986. Get it? But anyway, I really do. I think that after the first of the year, GPU prices, motherboard prices, processor prices, RAM prices, hard drive prices, they're all going to be going through the roof. Is because of the new tariffs. Because, if you figure it this way, most of the parts are built in China. Okay, and when they transfer over here to the US, then you got Nvidia, then you got AMD, and you got maybe Intel. Hopefully not Intel, maybe Intel. And I was hoping AMD would not be, locked into this neither. But it seems that a lot of companies that produce parts for your PC are locked into the China thing. So when that 25-30% tariff hits on the 1st, you can expect even used prices are going up over to 200%. Some, not all, but some PC PC parts that are used, they're going to be doubling up as it is now. If you look on eBay, you might get some good deals. You might not get some good deals. Okay? But after the first of the year, the prices are going to explode, and everybody's going to be expecting to pay a higher price for GPUs, motherboards, and so on. So that's what this video is about. It's not, you have to wait and see on Graphics Card Nightmare tomorrow night, which I'll be putting that video out for tomorrow night. You'll have to see what's going on there. This video is just to give you an update of what's going on. And don't forget, AMD on December the 13th, their Founder Edition cards will be coming out, and we're hoping some of the AIB Partners cards will follow suit within maybe the same night or within a week or 2 weeks, sometime in December. Because after that, in January, the prices are going to explode, and then we're going to be having a nightmare upon nightmare upon nightmare. People are going to be scrambling just to get a GPU. And if you don't have a GPU, my recommendations right now is going to be this. You can risk it and get yourself a GPU now, or you can wait until the new GPUs come out, for AMD, or, you can take the risk and you can wait until after the first of the year and wait until the first and second week of January. Take a risk for one of the cheaper cards that Nvidia might come out with, or AMD might come out with, something around, hopefully down in below $500 range. Okay, but we don't know. Now that they've posted this, that there's going to be a tariff that's going to be put on China, so everything we get from China is going to be 20 or 30% higher, and that's supposed to be, I guess they're talking about it might be worldwide, because that Mexico is going to be hit, Canada is going to be hit. I'm sure all the countries are going to be hit with this. I don't know why it's happening, but I kind of got a feeling that somebody stuck their foot where they needed not to stick it, and guess what? It got stuck up our keister, because now we're going to be paying higher prices. So if you're really wanting to get a graphics card, now is the time. But if you wait till next year, you might risk it and you might lose that opportunity. Just to let you know. But anyway, I'm not going to keep this a long video. I wanted to keep this a short video. I just wanted to keep y'all informed that, something's coming, and with this new recession's going to be coming and everything else, I'm going to recommend y'all get what you can get right now, because now is the time, and after next year hits, we don't know which way it's going to swing. I might be wrong. I might be right. You never know. I mean, I have this feeling that, everybody's saying buy now, and then, and wait to see what happens after. So if you want to take that risk and you want to buy now, the prices are down. They're kind of reasonable, but they're kind of not to me. They're kind of reasonable. Some things are reasonable and some things are not. You're not going to get a new graphics card for under $1,000. If you get the new AMD one, you probably pay $1,200 for it. So all in all, you look at your base price, everything's going to revolve around $1,200 and then upwards. So if you wait for the new AMD cards to come out, the scalpers are going to be out there. Everybody's going to be out there trying to hit those cards and get all the XTXs they can, trying to resell them on eBay for double what they're worth. So if you want to get your hands on it, you get your get your ticket in now. Go to your Micro Center, or go online, get your ticket. That guarantees you your spot to get a graphics card. Or give them a call. Tell them you want to pay for it now on the phone, or however you want to do it. It depends on what you want to do. But anyway, make sure you subscribe, and the ones that have subscribed, do welcome you to the family. Also, too, I want to remind you all, I did a video last week about showing your builds. Now, I haven't seen nobody get into my email and leave me an email of their builds, or let me know the description of what their thoughts are on their builds or anything else. This is just to showcase it here on JJ's PC Builds for you to see and the world to see. If you want everybody to see what your build looks like, watch that video that I did tell you all about, that you can showcase your PC. Or you can get into my email, and if you don't know where it is, you go to the About section, and I'm sure you'll find it right there. And if you can't, then just leave me a comment below, and we will go from there. I'll redirect you to the spot you need to be in, so you can email me, and you can send me in your build, or you can go to my Twitter. I'll just go ahead and open this up. You can go ahead and leave me the notification in Twitter. Send me a direct message in Twitter of your build. You can do that too. So you got two spots you can go to. You can go to my Twitter, which is on my home page, and it's got a link right there up in the upper right hand corner that has like the T button, and it looks blue. You just click on it and take you right directly to my Twitter. Okay? But until the next time, this is JJ, your boy. We will see you on the next one.